Assalamu alaikum. Important organs: heart, lungs, brain, kidney, and liver. Important organs. They are inside our body.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, I am here. Keep your hand on the left side of your chest. Do you feel something beating? Yes. It is your head.
Hello friends, I am Hans. Keep your hand on the chest. Lungs are the help for breathe. Thank Hello friends, I am brain. I have to control almost function of the body. Thank you. Hello friends, I am kidney. Your kidney remove waste and extra fluid from your body. Thank you. We are important internal organs in our body. Thank you. Hello friends, I am liver. The liver is largest internal organs. Our liver is like a chemical factory. Thank you. We are important internal organs. Important internal organs. Important internal organs in our body. Thank you.